Whoa guys, look at that badass C10. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you for tuning in. So today's gonna be a quick video on a quick giveaway. I decided to do a vlogging package for you guys at home. If you guys want to be YouTubers, guess what I did? I went to go get a laptop because you need somewhere to edit. This laptop is a MacBook Air. It comes with iMovie. That's what I use. Everybody's always asking, Omar, what do you use? What software do you use to edit your videos? And it's on iMovie, honestly. Like, I always do that. Premiere Pro is really cool, but iMovie for me, it's so much simpler. It's easier to use. It's already in the laptop, built in there. That's what Apple provides. And as well, I decided to go get you guys a GoPro 10. I love the GoPro 10. It's the top of the line right now. It has so many features. I'm gonna be pulling out a cinematic video on this video right now of somebody else using this GoPro 10 just to show you guys how good the quality is on that GoPro. I wanted to do a quick giveaway. I'm still working on the C15, but this is gonna be a quick giveaway. Help me out, guys. It takes money to keep building these trucks. So I'm gonna be doing this slight investment to keep pushing the channel to make more badass content for you guys to watch. Yeah, the link will be down below on the first comment, or it will be on the description below. Yeah, guys, enter to win this quick giveaway laptop, quick MacBook Air, and the GoPro, guys. And as well, I wanted to point out that if you do win it, just contact me on Instagram. If you do win it, I'm going to show you how to start your YouTube channel. I will help you out step by step on trying to be a very pro. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this little video real quick. So here's the cinematics with the GoPro 10. Here we go. Alright guys, so the way to enter to win the GoPro 10 and the laptop literally looks exactly like this one, and it looks beautiful. I'm using iMovie at the moment. Look, let me click out right now. I'm going to hit iMovie, and literally I am editing this video as we speak. So yeah guys, the way to enter this giveaway is to buy the big decal Intake Legacy with the C10, the red one. The giveaway starts today and ends on the Sunday at night at 12 p.m. Guys, that will be the last day to enter the giveaway on this laptop and this GoPro 10. This is going to be a quick giveaway to help out the channel. Thank you. Like and subscribe, turn the bell notification on. I'll see you guys on the next. I have 3 more videos backed up. I've been trying my best to put them out there. The videos coming out are going to be taking out the motor for Little Blue, taking the motor to Velocity so we can start taking the motor apart, and more videos to come, guys. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel, and thank you guys for tuning in. Like and subscribe, turn the bell notification on, become part of Legacy, and tune in for the next video coming out where the little V6 is no more for Little Blue. V8 time, guys. V8.